video. Say Happy Mother's Day, Granny. We miss you.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Oh, that's sweet. Say none of us would be here if it wasn't for you, Granny. If you hadn't birthed our mother, we wouldn't even be here. So say thank you for the life.
Thank you for the what?
For the life.
Life.
And let me see that missing too. There he goes. There's another one gone. Hey, Puddin'. Say hello, Granny. God dang it, Granny. Hello. Okay, Puddin'. Cosmo, say I love you, Granny.
I love you, Granny. I love you, Granny.
We miss you.
We miss you. I'm again Mother's Day.
Happy Granny Mother's Day, is that what you said? That's nice.
We'll be a couple kids, right?
We actually have butcher paper. That's a good idea. I'm trying to get footage of him crawling. For Granny, because I don't know if she's...
Go get it.
Alright. Go get it, Pud. Oh, dang. Come on, Puddin'. Come see his Mimi. Oh, look at Pud, pretty pea. Hello. Where are you going?
Peace out.
Come on. Come on, Puddin'.
There you go.
I need a steady cam. He's kidding me. Come on, Puddin'.
He's like, just leave me alone. Yay!
Oatsy. Oatsy.
Kabuta!